If you've ever bought leads or traffic and watched your open rates and opt-ins just die, it's not you. It's not your offer. It's the traffic. Most of what gets sold as leads online is safeless junk, bot clicks, or people getting paid a fraction of a penny to click your link and never look at it again. That's not marketing. That's noise dressed up as marketing. In this video, I want to actually show you how to tell real traffic from fake traffic. The stuff nobody explains properly. And then I'll walk you through a specific new program launching August 1st that's trying to solve this, including exactly how it pays. Because I'm not going to sell you something without telling you what it actually is. Here's the pattern almost everyone falls into. You're told traffic or leads will fix your business, so you buy the cheapest option, a safe list, a paid-to-click exchange, a solo ad from someone you found in a Facebook group. And for a moment it feels like something's happening. Clicks come in, numbers go up. Then nothing converts, because the person clicking wasn't looking for what you're selling, they were looking for a credit, a point, a reward. They're the product being farmed, not a prospect. That's the core issue with cheap traffic. It optimizes for clicks, not for people who actually want what you have. So here's what to actually look at before you buy any traffic from anyone ever. Source transparency. Do they tell you exactly where clicks come from, or is it a black box? Opt-in and engagement rate, not just clicks, but what happens after the click. Geography, Tier 1 traffic, that's US, UK, Canada, Australia, behaves completely differently to unfiltered global traffic. Ongoing vetting, are underperforming sources removed? Or does everyone stay forever regardless of quality? If a traffic seller can't answer those four things clearly, that's your answer. Now, there's a new program launching August 1st I want to walk you through, because it's built around exactly those 4 points, and I want to be upfront about what it actually is. It's run by a traffic broker with a 10-year retail track record, opening up membership access to their network of vetted email publishers. So instead of buying from one solo ad seller, you're tapping a pool of vetted sources, and every source is scored and monitored, with underperformers removed. Here's the important bit I want to be straight about. This isn't just a traffic purchase. It also has a paid affiliate structure. You earn $5 a month for people who join under you, plus a share of traffic purchases made by your downline. That's a recruitment-based income component sitting alongside the traffic access, similar to how affiliate matrix programs work. I'm telling you that clearly because you should know exactly what you're joining, not just cheap traffic, but a paid membership with a referral income layer built in. Whether this specific program is right for you depends on your goals. If you want traffic access, look at it as traffic access first, and the referral side as a bonus, not the main plan. Vet it the same way I just showed you. Source transparency, engagement quality, geography, ongoing monitoring. Links in the description if you want to look into it yourself. And whatever you end up buying from this or anyone else, run it through that 4-point checklist first. That's the bit that actually protects your ad spend.